In this video, I'm going to give myself a new gel overlay and try a new collection of solid cream gel polishes by Modelones, 9 colors. And the fun part is that this entire collection can simply fit in my hand. That's so cool, right? Coming up.
Hello guys, this is Anastasia. Let's do the unpacking. We have two small boxes. First one includes base coat and top coat. The one with the silver cap is base coat and the golden one is top coat. Base coat is medium consistency, top coat is slightly thicker. And we have another box, color cube. There is a detailed guide inside with the overview of collections, but we will view them a little later. First, let's see what's inside. There is soft gel brush which can be used for application. The box itself, it's so tiny and cute. Craziest Jelly Bean is the name of the collection that I have. And now we're going to do one of the most satisfying things ever. Take this paper off, and this is the collection that I have, so let's try it. I decided to use a bigger size gel brush because in real life I usually work with longer nails, so it is going to take less strokes. So this is how we apply it. First I apply it near the cuticle, make sure the line is good, and then I apply it to the rest of the nail. And as I start application, you can see that it slightly self-levels even though it's extremely thick. And that is so great because when you see a product that is thick like that, we're usually worried like, oh my god, it is going to be bumpy all the way, but actually once you start the application you need to move a little fast so that you will warm up the product between the brush and the tip or the nail, and it is going to help you to level up the surface a little bit. That's so cool, and one coat is definitely enough. So I'm going to do the swatch of the rest of the collection. Yellow and red probably needs the second coat, and the rest of the colors were good with just one coat. This is the entire collection of 9 colors. It combines some pastel as well as some bright shades. I also wanted to show you another collection because they have nude, they have pastel collection. I think you will understand me now as you see these pictures. It was so hard to decide which one do I need to pick because Modelones told me that I need to pick just one collection. So this was a very tough choice. Now let's do the nails. This is my left hand. It's been a week and a half. No, actually it's been 2 weeks already. My nails didn't grow out as much, so I think we will not really need to redo manicure or cuticle care, but we will need to take the product off. At this moment, I'm my only model, that's why I'm going to do this set and try this kit on myself. I will start with product removal. I don't think we have any product lifting, so I'm going to file off the glitter and the nude color, but I'm going to leave a thin coat of the clear base underneath. The speed is 26,000 rotations per minute. As I do this, I just realized that this thumb on my right hand, the one that is holding the handpiece, is actually from last year, 2021. So my right hand also needs a makeover ASAP. I don't think I will be changing length or shape of my nails. I like it this way, so I will just slightly touch it with a soft 240 grit file. Then I will take the flame bit and just slightly clean the cuticle. I only need to do that because it's been 2 weeks and it's grown a little bit, but nothing else. As you can see, I don't have much excessive dry skin all around, so this process is going to be pretty quick. Normally, I use speed of 16,000 rotations per minute, but since there's not much to clean today, I used only 13,000 rotations per minute. My naked nails, this is what they look like. I apply dehydrator, let dry, non-acid primer on the free edge. Then it's time to apply base coat. First coat should be super thin and you should not touch the sidewalls or the cuticle. If you did, clean it right away before curing. If you would like to apply a thicker coat to fix some uneven surface, it's still better to apply a thin one, cure, and then apply the second one. Then we proceed to color application. This is how we should apply solid cream gel polish. I take a small drop of gel, place it near the cuticle, and once you have this perfect line, you simply drag the product down towards the free edge. If you accidentally touch the skin, it's super easy to clean it, just like this, with orange wood stick or your own hand. And then we cure it in LED for 1 minute. For solid cream gel polish, it's very important to fully cure it. When I showed this product in my Instagram stories, I received many questions. Anastasia, can you use it for nail art? And I decided to try it. Solid cream gel polish has a very thick consistency. It is going to stay exactly where you apply it. Also, most colors are very intense and thick, which means one coat is enough. So yes, it is going to work for nail art, as you can see, but I will not recommend it for any kind of nail art like ombre or marble. But if you would like to create a thin lines or create some objects that you would like to have a little bit of 3D, such as tiger stripes, then yes, this product is going to work. I also wanted to try most of the colors on my nails, so I created some kind of zebra rainbow. The biggest advantage of solid cream gel polish is that it is not going to flood the cuticle or the sidewalls because it is so thick. I always face this problem when I'm working on myself because I have a thick sidewalls, and every time I try to work with a runny product, it is going to flood the sidewalls. But this is not happening when I'm using solid cream gel polish because it is staying exactly where I applied. I decided to apply the second coat because colors still look better, and each coat can be extremely thin, and this is another advantage. You can apply just a tiny bit of product and still have a great color. Let's seal it with the top coat. Modelones has no wipe top coat and the consistency is thick, which means if you have any imperfections on the surface, you can fix it with a top coat. And this is the final look. Let me know, guys, what do you think? I totally enjoyed working with these colors. Now I feel like I need more collections, and if you feel the same way, I will leave the links in the description box as usual, as well as the discount code. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new product reviews and tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.